So the conditional pattern base has been generated from this from this suffix tree, pattern. So I5 is occurring with I2 and I1 for one time, and with I3, I2, I1 for one time. So from this conditional pattern base we can easily generate conditional FP tree. That is just to find the association of I5 with each of these items or the combination of the items. So I5 is associated with I2 for this one time and in this branch one time. So totally 2 times. I5 is associated with I1 also with 2 times, right, in 2 branches. Similarly, if you take I4, I4 is associated with I2 in one branch and here on one branch. So totally I4 is occurring in, one with this one and one with one. Totally 1 plus 1, 2 count. If you take I4 association with I1, it is associated with I1 with only one time, but our minimum support count is given here is 2. So we can eliminate this combination, that is I4 association with I1. Again, if you take I3, I3 is associated with I1 for 2 times. I3 is associated with I4, one with this branch 2 times and one with this branch 2 times. So totally 2 plus 2, 4 times. And I3 with I1, it is occurring with I1 for 2 times in this branch. In the right subtree, it is occurring with I1 for 2 times. So I3 is occurring with I1 2 times in each of the branches. Now if you take I1 sub prefix, I1 is occurring with I2 with 4 times. So I2 4 times. So from this conditional FP tree, we can easily generate frequent patterns. So I5 is occurring with I5 with I2 2 times, I5 with I1 2 times, right, and I5 with I1 I2, one with this time and one with this branches. So we can make I5 I1 I2 2 times. Now if you take I4, I4 is occurring with I2 2 times. So just we can have write the frequent patterns like this. Now I3 combination. I3 is occurring with I2 4 times. So I3 I2 4 times. Now I3 with I1 2 4 times, right? So I3 with I1 4 times. Now the combo I3 with I1 I2 also 2 times, right? Now I1 is occurring with I2 4 times. So I1 and I2 association is combination is 4 times. So these are all the frequent patterns generated. Now from these frequent patterns generated, based on the confidence, we can calculate we can easily generate the association rule.